Lufthansa Skytrax rating 5 stars was yesterday. Today Lufthansa is only 4 Skytrax stars worth. Difficult. My name is Lars. I'm here to bring you more miles, more points and more status. Do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification button. Leave us a comment and a like for this wonderful video. I hope you like it. Lufthansa, 5-star Hansa, like you see on the picture. That was yesterday. They are only 4 stars worth. That was a story which started 2018. Lufthansa was so proud that they got the 5-star, and they were the only airline in Europe which had 5-star rating. A lot of passengers, a lot of people in the forums were writing, hey, that is something they never should have achieved because they have no 5-star, how do you call it? 5-star prestige, 5-star capabilities, 5-star service, 5-star anything. And I tend to support that as well because as a Horn Circle, I like Lufthansa. It's nothing that I want to bash them. It's my national carrier. And Lufthansa is an airline which is, how to say it, they were always a little bit in the middle field. They were never so progressive. They were never in the front when it came to new technologies. And Skytrax gave them for a seat which until today has never been flying in the air. Unbelievable. And it was a sensation in the end of 2017 that a non-Asian airline got this 5-star Skytrax rating. The 5-star Skytrax rating is a process, and we never heard about the process that it was going. Some people say that Skytrax has no value because it's a title where you just pay cash for, and maybe they didn't pay now, so that is why they got ripped off the 4. But this said, an airline getting the 5 stars for a product which is not flying says it all, in my opinion. And Carsten Spohr said this is a very, it's an honor that we deserve with biggest strengths to get it, and that Lufthansa is now going to be one of the worldwide leading premium airlines. And what was the leading premium? Lufthansa is not bad, and when we look at them, it is interesting that Lufthansa is a product which is solid, it is safe, it is, but they, like I said, they were never one of the best when it came to food, when it came to the seat. The space is okay. When you look in the 380, of course, that is, they have the first flying pissoir in the world. So that is something what they had in the 380 as their unique thing, because they said that female passengers said that they appreciate that men have this facility on board. But in my opinion, that is not enough to be one of the leading airlines. So for that, they have to do a little bit more. And when you look on the rating of Lufthansa, it is it's a headache. But let us first, before we go on the Skytrax evaluation of Lufthansa, what are the people writing in the forums? They say that the Skytrax criteria are intransparent, and it had never been allowed that they have gotten the 5 stars. And Lufthansa said that a key factor behind Lufthansa gaining 5-star airline certification is recently announced new business class cabin seat that will be delivered when the airline receives the first 777X aircraft. So, like I said, yeah, that is the point. It is a product which has never been flying, and it was never really in real life existing. And comfort, that is not existing in Lufthansa as well. It is a kind of a joke that Skytrax is discrediting themselves with this kind of behavior. And when you look on the competition, there should be a 3.5 to 4-star rating realistic. Lufthansa in sum is never be comparable to Emirates, Etihad, Oman Air, who have all a 4-star rating as well. That is one comment. My opinion as well, so that is why I'm just quoting it. Then another thing is, what airlines are having a 5-star rating? And those airlines who are having a 5-star rating, that are airlines pay. That is what it is. And only the economy class gets 3.5 stars. All other classes, first class is 5-star, but the business class and the premium economy are only a 4-star rating. So for that reason, that is a... They all say that should have been done much earlier, and it was a joke, a running gag. Lufthansa, the 5-star airline. And I'm really looking forward. What do you think about Skytrax? Is this something which is important? Is this something which is making sense or not? And now let us go on the Skytrax website, and Lufthansa is quoted or actually described like this. Lufthansa is certified as a 4-star airline for the quality of its airport and onboard product and staff service. Product rating includes seats, amenities, food and beverages, in-flight entertainment, cleanliness. Service rating is for both cabin staff and ground staff. That is kind of interesting. And as a disclaimer, the ratings shown on this website show headline extras of the key areas used in a final assessment. And in long haul, they got 5-star in first class, like I said, 4 stars in business and premium economy, and 3.5 stars in economy class. On short haul, they got 4 stars in business and in economy class, 3.5 stars. Difficult. Because in the short haul, that is the same seat like economy class. That is not business class. Of course, you can now go and say, okay, they have premium qualities like the food, which got better, which in my opinion is really nice, the tasting Heimat. And sure, but is it not that we are flying to sit in a seat which is kind of comfortable, which is having not the headache that you, when you sit in it 4.5, 5 hours, that you get butt pain? That is my opinion. And it makes me kind of speechless, because can we trust this kind of star ratings? Is it something where you say that makes sense? Are you going to choose an airline because it's a 5-star Skytrax or 5-star something else? Or do you say, I don't care, I just go with my own experience? Or is it something where the airline is even making a fool of themselves? Because when you put up the expectations to a 5-star level, and I don't say that they bought it, but people say that is a title which you can buy, and then the people come with a 5-star experience and they get this, what they is, that they're even more unhappy than if it would have been a 4-star airline. So in the long run, honesty should pay. That is what I say. I think that it was counterproductive. 3 stars, what would be, in my opinion, real rating for Lufthansa? The first class ground product, the first class terminal, first class lounges, 5-star, hands up, no worries. The onboard product, 3.5, that would be, in my opinion, realistic. Business class, 3.5, the same, 3, because the seat is a nightmare, it's forgettable. And of course, economy, I have to say that I didn't fly in economy or premium economy long haul flights, so I'm sorry, I cannot say. I don't know. In business class, on short haul, 3.5, that would be fair, and in economy class, I think a 3 would be okay as well, especially because of buy on board. And I think the airlines who have buy on board, they should have per se a low star rating, because it doesn't matter what you offer. If you have your food to buy, then it's unfortunately not premium. That is what it is. So for that reason, 3 stars, 2 stars. Again, I'm looking forward to your comments down there in the comment section. Keep it clean, keep it nice. and argue on the point. Thank you for watching Frequent Traveler TV. Take off with today's episode about Skytrax. Tomorrow I will discuss it with Mario. Maybe he will be in the English version as well. In the German he will be for 100%, I hope. That is what you said, at least. So for that reason, thank you for watching, for subscribing, for hitting the notification button, and last but not least, leave us a like. Thank you for doing so, and see you tomorrow for the next episode, Frequent Traveler TV, Lufthansa Group Update.